Okay, hello everybody. Frankie here with an update on Hurricane Ida. It is expected to become a Category 4 um, hurricane. This is going to be a very dangerous and catastrophic situation for parts of the Louisiana coast. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. So I want to take you directly to some new updates regarding Hurricane Ida.
Hi, everybody. I'm WFAA Chief Meteorologist Pete Delkus. We're here in Dallas, Texas at our Victory Park studios. I do want to give you an update on Ida. It is now a hurricane. We've been watching this all week. We even talked about a little disturbance in the tropics in the Caribbean. We talked about that at the end of last week, and now there's Ida. Currently situated right there on the western tip of Cuba. It is 90 miles southwest of Havana. With this update, it has winds of 80, so it's a fairly minimal hurricane. But the problem is this system is going to intensify very rapidly. Category 2 tonight, Category 3 as we head into the day on Saturday, Category 4 by Saturday night, early Sunday morning, and then landfall late Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, right here in the central Louisiana coast. Category 4, winds of 140-ish. If it's 157, it's a Category 5. I do believe with the rapid intensification that we'll see across the Gulf of Mexico in the next 24 to 36 hours, this could very well make landfall as a Category 5. If not a Category 5, a very high-end Category 4 or a low-end Category 5. But we'll, nonetheless, the impact is going to be about the same. Then it moves across parts of Mississippi, up into parts of Tennessee, and even clip parts of Arkansas, as well as it moves off to the northeast. Look at this, almost the entire state of Louisiana right now under a hurricane warning. We're looking at a storm surge off to the west, 2 to 6 feet. Right here where landfall is, it'll be anywhere from 10 to 15 feet. Problem is, not only is it going to be the elevated water with the storm surge, but the ground right now is extremely saturated. This is the soil moisture content. It's extremely saturated right now, right where landfall will occur. And look how much rain is in my forecast. It's 5 to 15 inches plus. The flooding is going to be significant across this part of the United States, that part of the Gulf of Mexico. Why the rapid intensification? These are the latest sea surface temperatures, middle to upper 80 sea surface temperatures across this portion of the Gulf of Mexico. We're looking at high octane fuel, jet fuel for this system to really intensify very, very quickly. Nothing to tear it apart, nothing to break it down. There's no wind shear in place. There's no dry air in place. There's just a lot of moisture at all the levels of the atmosphere. So all of the atmospheric conditions are extremely conducive to rapid intensification. Watch what one of the models, this is the European model, takes it across the tip of Cuba out into the Gulf of Mexico. There's your rapid intensification during the day tomorrow. Look at the center of circulation. There we are, the central Louisiana coast. Now the European has a landfall late Sunday night. Some of the models are a little earlier, some of them are a little bit later than that. But the National Hurricane Center, the landfall is Sunday afternoon. Now, again, that could shift a little west, a little east, or it could happen a little sooner or a little later, but you have the idea. Sometime Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening landfall. Of course, we'll continue to keep that updated, and then as it moves through Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday, it'll move into parts of Tennessee. So what number storm is this? Well, it's our 9th named storm of the season. Henri was the one previous. Now we are looking at Ida. Last year, you know how busy of a season it was. We had Cristobal made landfall. That was tropical storm. We had Laura, was a Category 4 right around Lake Charles. Delta was a Category 2 landfalling storm. Then we had Zeta over here in the southeastern portion of the state. So it was a very, very active season last year. The state of Louisiana is not dealing with drought conditions, an ample supply of moisture, and a lot of water on the way. Retired hurricane names by letter. Unfortunately, I is the most retired name for whatever reason, coincidental or not. It's the most retired name. There have been 11 hurricanes retired that begin with I. The second most would be C, and then we have F. And then as we drop down into the alphabet, you can see much fewer of those names have been retired. So that's the latest right now with Hurricane Ida. Ida is the 9th named storm of the season. The average date for the 9th named storm is September 15th. We're 2.5 weeks ahead of schedule, unfortunately. The 10th named storm is September 21. And the 11th named storm, the average date is October 1, so a very, very busy season. We will continue to keep an eye on Hurricane Ida as we head through tonight and through the weekend, and we will watch its rapid intensification. Right now, all eyes are focused on the central Louisiana coast. That's the latest update from WFAA right here in Dallas, Texas at our Victory Park studios.